Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Focus Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Dimash, and the song is called Omir, Oter. As usual, I'm gonna listen first and then I'm gonna talk. So let's do it.
Алғын тәттіні бақытқа толы шақтары амалың қанша қайтадан келмейді көнбейді тағдыр көнбейді бұл күнде қалар алыста қиял мен арман жарысқан бірде бірі елеске айналар келгенде уақыт ойланар өтеді-ай өмір өтер өзендей ағып кетер жұлдызың сөнбесін жаққанда қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға өтеді-ай өмір өтер дүние-ай бәрі бекер жұлдызың сөнбесін жаққанда қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға көңілді тұман басқанда басыңнан бағың қашқанда заманға жалғыз жабырқап қалғанда өзендей ағып кетер жұлдызың сөнбесін жаққанда қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға өтеді-ай өмір өтер дүние бәрі бекер жұлдызың сөнбесін жаққанда қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға
I could have listened this for sure. Yeah, I mean, I could have listened. I could have keep listening. I'm like, all right, I can't do that. So I could listen this for the rest of the day, live, whatever. There's a lot of things actually that came up. And the last sentence actually, or last thought I was having at the end of the song was like that his voice is like medicine for the soul. And not just the voice, obviously. I'm not even sure I can say anything new, but let's see. You know what's so interesting, that I don't know how about you, but when I remember the first song, you know, I've heard from him was the SOS, and since then new songs came, new performances came. Every time I listened a particular song, I felt like he's talking to me. And I'm sure that you can feel, you know what I mean, is like when you got exactly what you need. You got that when you have questions, when you have fear, when you have doubts, and you might not even asking for help, but inside, like literally words like, please help me, not like that. It's more like when you just pray for answers, and you got the answers. And for example, it happens through a song or through whatever. And when I listen to his songs in the last 2 years, that's what I feel, that anytime I had some questions or anything that I needed some kind of help with, I got the answer through, for example, his songs. And obviously, as you grow, you got different questions, and you receive different answers, different solutions. And that's what I feel now as well. Lately, when I listen his songs, I listen less than before. But for example, this one, what he was singing about, again, the reason why I know, because there is a subtitle. However, there was a few things that it didn't really make sense to me on lyrics, but I felt the translation. I felt what he was saying, or maybe it was just in me. Maybe because where my thoughts, where my life is now around, I got that kind of answer through music. This is so incredible, actually. Every time, it's insane how you can get the answer through music. This is seriously, music is the best therapy, and his voice, he's not pharmacy, he's the medicine, that's for sure. He's the medicine man. So anyway, that's what I felt like, what he was singing about. For example, today, it was like, again, he was talking to me, and it was a total different topic now than, for example, it was 2 years ago. And that's what I was saying, like, if it happens with you as well, that as the time goes by, you got different answers, different solutions through music, especially through his music. I really loved vocally. I felt like he was showing a little bit less than he used to be, for example, I don't know, a year ago or 2 years ago. Maybe he does exactly the same in a live gig, but a live concert. But what I want to say, it's not an insult at all. So I feel like he showed less vocally, but it was still more than enough. And I felt much more matureness in him, even though, if it's possible, because obviously he was always very mature as a performer, as a singer, everything, but something is changing in a good way, obviously. Of course, that's not possible, that as the time goes by, as you grow, as you're getting older, that you change, and that's normal. And he's getting even more mature in every sense, as a singer, as a human possible. Oh, I can't really talk about his vocals because it's flawless as always. He started in a beautiful falsetto, but sometimes actually when we think it's falsetto, it's in his case, he's starting on falsetto, but his transition into mixed and chest is so incredibly smooth that it's not even falsetto anymore. So it's incredible. The way he sings is there are no words. It's totally out of this world. It's not just what he sings, the way he sings. When I said that I feel like that he did a little bit of less today, or like in this performance, and it's not okay, that wasn't right. I'm not saying that he did less. It was more about he showed less. And a young performer always, on purpose or not on purpose, but they all try to show off like everything we can. We need to show what we can, what we have. And as you grow, you realize that you don't need to show everything because it's all coming from you. We know you don't need. And that's exactly what I felt now. Even though that I know he's very mature as a performer, I never felt like that he would show off. It's not like that. It was always so I don't know what's the word. It's incredible is not the right word. To actually listen every single note from the lowest till the highest, every song. It's not just that it's too much. It's not even enough. I could listen this for hours and hours and hours. But now I felt like that he showed less because he knows that what's coming from him, even just one holding note, that's enough. That's more than enough. And that's healing, that's energetic, that's powerful, that's it's out of this world. And what he sings about is so deep. That's what actually makes me feel so losing it, because it's just sometimes it's hard to understand. So the mind cannot understand this. And it's overwhelming. That's the word I was looking for. It's so overwhelming what he's giving that you just can't handle. It goes so deep that it's overwhelming. This is amazing. All right. Okay. So I believe that's what I can say today. Thank you very much for watching as always. If you have more suggestions, please post below the video. If you're interested in singing lessons, any kind of coaching sessions, voice training, you find all the links below the video. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.